lovely people, welcome to my channel. I'm Katie and I'm going to be teaching you how to belly dance. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to belly roll like a pro. So grab your favourite hip scarf and let's get practicing. Okay guys, so we're going to start by rolling our shoulders back, have our chest open, hips tucked under and feet slightly under hip width apart. So first of all we want to work through different points in our abdomen. So we're going to be using our upper abs, from our lower rib cage, our belly button and our lower abs. So we're going to be using a mixture of lifting and contracting. So we're going to start by expanding or lifting from our upper abs. Then we're going to contract from our upper abs. We're going to contract from our lower rib cage, belly button, lower abs and release. So I'm just going to call those points 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we lift from 1, contract, contract from 2, contract from 3, 4, release. Good. I find it helps if I actually touch the areas that I'm working on. It just helps with visualization. So lift and contract, 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 release. Try not to use your upper body to flow with it. Try and work it all from your abdomen. So lift, contract, 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 release. Lift, contract, 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 release. Once you feel confident with this one, let it flow. So we'll lift and roll down, release. Lift, roll down, release. Lift, roll down, release. Good. So we'll start by lifting from the rib cage and we'll contract, 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 release. Lift, contract, 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 release. Good. Remember when we lift up, we pull in, so your hips will start to tuck under more and release. Lift and roll down. Lift, roll down, lift, roll down, release. Lift, roll down, release. Lift, roll down, release. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it going. Great work everyone. Remember to keep practicing those belly rolls to get them better and better. And tune in next week for more belly dance tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Let me know how you're getting on with your practice and if there's any videos you'd like to see. I'll see you next time.